Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can easily record your daily business income in a super simple Excel sheet. As you know, every self-employed person in the UK has to file a tax return which is going to cover from 6th of April one year until 5th of April the next year. In this particular example, I am talking about the current financial tax year. And to make it simpler, I am using 1st of April 23 as the first day of the financial year and 31st of March 24 as the last day of the financial year. Now, how you actually record your income using this particular Excel sheet is super easy. All you have to do is, at the end of each day, record your income based on the method of the payment. For example, imagine you have a barber shop. On 1st of April 23, you receive £150 in cash payment. Also, you get £20 straight into your bank account. You also have a card machine reader and you get £70 as a debit card transaction. You receive no checks and no direct debits. According to your business, you can change the following columns from G to K. So you can, for example, remove this and type SO, which is a standing orders. So if your business has a standing orders, you can change the title here and write £100 if you receive £100 as a standing order. I'm gonna erase that just to make it simpler, but this Excel sheet lets you have 10 different type of payments, but as a default, cash, bank, card, check, and direct debit is set. So you can add as it requires by your specific business. So the next day, 2nd of April, you get £200 cash. You have £50 into your bank account, £100 in your card payment, £0 check, and zero direct debit. So at the end of April, at the end of 1st of April, you can see here that daily income was £240 for the first day. For the second day, it was £350. This calculation is done automatically. As soon as you enter the numbers here, the total for the day is going to be shown here. Also, as you go ahead, you can see how much you earned in cash, how much you received in bank, card payment, and so on. By the time you get to the 30th of April 23, the total amount here shows you exactly how much you earned for the month of April 23. Moving on to the next month, May, you just simply click on May 23 and again start recording your income according to the payment type. Payment type cash, bank, card, check, and so on each single day. Having a recorded daily income not only gives you a better bookkeeping and accounting, it also can help you pay less to your accountant because most of the accountant, if you give them a super easy Excel sheet with your daily income recorded in it, they charge you less. And the reason is because they are going to do less job for you. If you just go and give them a pile of bank statements, of course they're gonna charge you more. But if you give them a really clean Excel sheet just like this, then everything is clear. For April, you earned how much, for May, for June, so they just have to add this up to get your income. It's just like 5 minute job for them. So they charge you less. Also, having your income recorded on a daily basis has another big advantage for your own business. When you record your daily income, you know which day you earned more and which day you earned less. So, again, month by month, you can know which month you had your highest earning, which month you had your less earning. Having this type of a statistic will help you to grow in your business. So, in one month, you had really, really low income, and in one month, you had really, really high income. So, you can kind of analyze that and see, okay, what month was it that I had more income? What was the reason behind it? Was it because of a specific promotion you had, which you get more income? Was it because it was holiday season? So basically, by analyzing the income you make or you earn each month, you can understand which month was better and which month was worse. So you can use this data to increase or to improve your marketing to increase your income. Also, by having a daily total income, you can see which day you had more and which day you had less. So you can use this data to adjust your marketing and see what was the reasons you had less income in that specific day. So you can do more marketing or adjust your business strategy to earn more on the days that you have less income. For example, if on 5th of April you have only like £10 income, which means you had only one customer in a barbershop example, you can come up with a promotion on that particular day. Let's say you give 20% discount. So the discount will increase the customer, so you generate more income in that particular day, and as a whole you generate more income for your business. So recording the daily income is really crucial for every business, specifically the type of businesses that directly deals with the customers. So having this information will help you to increase your income generally and work on the weak points to grow your business. If you would like to purchase this Excel sheet, this is for sale for just a couple of quid. But buying this Excel sheet and recording the daily income will give you a lot of advantages. Not only growing your business, growing your income, but an easier and a smoother bookkeeping and accounting. I also have another Excel sheet for recording your business expenses, which has a really good which has a lot of actually good advantages of knowing how much you are spending on rent, on electricity, on marketing, so you can adjust your budgets accordingly and make more profit. The link to purchase this Excel sheet is going to be on the description box down below. This particular one is for the financial year 23-24. And the next financial year 24-25 is also available. I put the link below, and this version is a UK version. I also have another version for US, which I put the link again down below. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.